Greetings. Good to have you. Thanks for joining me in the studio. It is the 27th, I believe, of February. Yeah, I'm just here. I'm actually in the middle of making a new style of tankard, just a different shape really, so sort of more bulbous rather than tall and more slender. Yeah, so these are once fired, raw glazed, straight up to cone 10. No bisque. Oh, no bisque. Yeah, we don't like bisque around here. We've gone off bisque. Anyway, join me. I'm just going to knock off 2 or 3 over there. I've then got a bunch of handling to do because I've got a bunch more here on the table, as I think I showed you in the last video. Looks like we have not got much on the battery. Okay, well, let me just show you. This is the normal kind of tankard that I do, that I usually make. Haha. Just to give you an idea of clay distribution, how thick should the wall of the pot be? Well, that gives you a sort of rough idea. That is thrown like that, it's not trimmed. All it is thumbed off. Okay, so something to aim at. You may not be there quite yet, but don't fret, you will be if you keep practicing. Okay, let's just do oops, got the flywheel rubbing on the tripod leg. Let's just do a couple. I'm set up here, I've got a mirror over here. Weather report, supposed to be a weather advisory for some bad weather coming in, a couple of inches of snow I think. Okay, so we're just going to center, break in, and now opening out the clay and doing the floor, the inside floor of the bottom of the mud. Okay. Bring the clay up. So try to bring it up in a conical way, so it always is narrower at the top than it is down below. That's a good tip, you know. I've got a gauge there. It's not very accurately set, actually. A minute. Okay, I'm raising the clay now and I'm giving it some belly at the same time. I'm looking for the gauge coming up. So at this point of the game, I'm just going to give a little measure here. It's supposed to be five and a, so I guess that's 5 and 4/8, 5 and 5/8. Yeah, 5 and 5/8. So yeah, if you're not used to throwing with a mirror, I really highly recommend that you get yourself one. It will help you a lot. Okay, so just giving it some belly here. Okay. Actually, I think we need to go a smidgen taller. A little bit taller. Okay. Okay, there. Now we're going to do the collar here at the top. Like that. This is the lip rest here. But it's really a collar, you see. Okay, refer to my mirror. Alright, now throwing stick down here, like that, and putting in a bevel underneath. It's pretty important that, you know, having a bevel at the bottom, because alright, now just using the side of my throwing stick just to take off any excess slurry off the side of the pot. Like that. Leather. Sponge. Cut off wire. Okay, right, let's get the camera down. Let's scrutinize it a little bit. We like to do that, don't we? And I don't know how much time we got left on this. Oh, it's looking like we're going to have to quit. Okay. All right, there it is. Go to my website, simonleachpottery.com. Check out. We've got lots of tools there. All right, folks. Thanks for watching. And don't forget, keep practicing. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.